I feel like Bane right now because this is how life is now. About to go get some Gatorade for the guys. Good morning, everyone. This is Gilsar Vergara back with another video. So this is the day after doing my first session of this jazzercise thing. So I feel a little bit of soreness, if you guys are wondering what the effects are after using it. So on my way to work, I'm gonna do another 5 sets of 15. I'm gonna do 15 reps and then see what happens. And then, you know, only you can tell me how the outcome is going to be over time. So I don't know, man. Like I said, I might look like a pit bull in the next couple of weeks. The jowls, you know what I'm saying? But either way, we'll see how the day goes. I don't know what I'm going to talk about today, but I'll figure out something. Life is now. About to go get some Gatorade for the guys. Okay. Hey guys, so I am gonna be doing some what the hell is that, dude? I am going to be doing shadowing for the techs. So I'm gonna go run behind them, see if everything is compliant. So that's number one, especially with DEC and stuff like that. So I'll take you on the road. I'm gonna try to get as much coverage as I can that I can legally can. So yeah, so I'm going to 7-Eleven real quick, buy them some drinks, because you know, it's just one of those things. You know, these guys work hard, so you know, all these technicians work hard out here, especially in these times, so I gotta give them thanks. I'm gonna go get some Gatorade for them, and then, you know, hit them off with stuff like that. So we'll see what happens. This lady's slow as hell, dude. Come on, dude. I'm really thinking about doing a reaction channel. Just commentary on a lot of things or whatever. Just set it up that way. I don't know. comment down below if you want to see me make a commentary channel, a reaction channel, just for whatever, politics, whatever's in the news, whatever you guys suggest. Hold on, I got a call. Giving them some Gatorade. Just to, you know, these guys work hard, man. Like I said, these guys work hard. So, I'm gonna do a few more videos answering back on comments on some of the subscribers. You know, just to, one, make more videos, because, you know, it's not easy out here trying to make a video every single day. Two, I just feel like I can express myself more speaking rather than writing. So I'll be doing that. I don't know, I'll probably tie it into this video. But either way, have a great day, and let's see what happens as usual. So if you guys are wondering how I cut weight, how when I was fighting it was a bit different story, but now it's just an easy weight cut. So if you guys want to know what my eating habits are, the last 4 days, 3 to 4 days, I've lost like 4 to 5 pounds. That's just, a lot of it is water weight, because obviously I don't really work out anymore. But a lot of it is water weight, and then, you know, watching what I eat, and I do intermittent fasting too. So I do intermittent fasting, as in my last meal is about 6-7 o'clock. It's not too big, but it's not too crazy. It's not too small either. And then I don't eat until 24 hours later, most of the time, until 7 o'clock at night. Or if I do snack, I'll wait until I eat after 1 p.m. So, you know, a lot of Filipinos always say, oh, you're gonna get an ulcer, you're gonna get this. I don't believe it, because I've been doing it for many years. So pretty much, like, I drink about close to probably a gallon of liquids every single day. That includes tea, water. I rarely drink soda, and I try my best to not to eat many things that are fried and high in sodium. I do have a couple of cheat days where I'll eat like a Taco Bell, I eat like a Wendy's and things like that. But other than that, I try to keep it super simple. So if you guys are interested. So to give you what a synopsis of what I do around these times is pretty much I have to park a good distance away to watch the technician, and I don't know if you see him there. Let me zoom in. He's that guy over there, right in front of that truck. So I observe for compliance and standards. If there's something that needs to be corrected, I can go out there and correct them. Usually when I'm done, I basically just hit him with a Gatorade or whatever, and, you know, just chat with them, see how things are. These guys work very hard, very hard, man. So you got to be out there for them. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, they keep me busy. So, you know, I appreciate that.